Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing a Tuxedo Sam Squishmallow from Sanrio. We're going to start off with the face. Let's do two little cute eyes first, one on the left. It's going to be a simple oval to start. And we're going to add a little highlight and then color in our first oval for the eye. Once you're done with this eye, we're going to move over to the right slightly and repeat the same eye. With these two eyes done, we can move forward with the next step. It's going to be the beak. We're going to start off with this mountain shape. Right around here, we're going to start. Go up, down, curve a little, and connect. This is going to be our beak. And before we continue, let's draw in the body. We're going to start off the top, right around here, towards the top. And let's do a little bit of almost like a top of an egg shape. Continue, go around, dip towards the bottom, and continue back up to the top and connect. That should give us a nice size for the body. I'll give you a moment to catch up to that step. And with these two areas done, let's draw in the two sides of our belly. It's just going to be a line right here all the way to here. On the right, the same line. Like so. Now we want to draw the bow in. It's just going to be a circle in the middle. And then we want to draw in the right side and the left side of our bow. And Tuxedo Sam does have a hat, so we can draw in the hat pretty easily. We're going to start right here around the top. We're going to go up, curve, and go down, and then back in to connect to the body. To top off the hat, it's going to be a half circle starting from here, up, and connect. And Tuxedo Sam has some details. It's just going to be a little ribbon. Start from around here, go down, up, down, up, and connect in. Once you're done with the step, we're going to add a line through for the hat design. Start from around the middle, around here, and we're just going to follow the line all the way down and connect. And there you go, your drawing is complete. Now grab some colors to color it in. Alright, we got some nice colors for Tuxedo Sam. We're going to start off with the biggest color. It's going to be the blue for the body. I'm going to add some circle highlights right at the top. And then we're just going to color the rest blue. We want to avoid the belly and all the other details. We're just going to color this area blue. Halfway there. Let's do the right side and we're almost done. Oops, went out a little bit. Once you're done with the blue, let's use our red to color in the bow and the hat. The bow is going to be right here. And the hat, we're just going to color this part of the hat and the little ribbon. Really liking this red. And our final color is going to be the yellow bill. Let's give it a highlight. And there you have it, Tuxedo Sam from Sanrio as a Squishmallow. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.